Hello, thanks for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we're looking at how to find the x or y-intercept from standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. So let's take a look. All right, here it says find the x and the y-intercept of a graph of 6x plus 8y equal 40. State the answer as an integer or an improper fraction in its simplest form. So yeah, 6x plus 8y equal 40. That's the ax plus by equals c. And what you want to do is find the x and y-intercepts. So first, we're going to start off with the y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept is when x is 0. So what we're going to do is plug in 0 for x. So once we plug in 0 for x, you get 0 times 6, which is 0. And then that's going to bring down 8y is equal to 40. Then we're going to divide by 8, and y is equal to 5. So we get y is equal to 5. So when x is 0, y is 5. That means the y-intercept is 5. Okay, now we got to find the x-intercept. So we're going to plug in 0 for y this time. Okay, so once we plug in 0 for y, you get 0 times 8, which is 0. So you bring down to 6x is equal to 40. Then you divide by 6. And then once you divide by 6, you get x is equal to 40 over 6, which can be simplified. And once you simplify it by dividing by 2, you get 20 over 3. So the x-intercept is 20 over 3. All right, let's take a look at another example. Here it says find the x and y intercepts of the graph of negative 2x plus 4y is equal to 14. State each answer as an integer or improper fraction in its simplest form. So it's the same thing. So first we're going to plug in, we'll find the y-intercept first. And it doesn't matter which order you find them in, as long as you find them both and put them in the right spot. So I'm going to plug in 0 for x. And then 0 times negative 2, let's go get you 0. Then you're going to divide, you have 4y is equal to 14. Then you divide by 4, and you get 4 is equal to 14 over 4. And then 14 over 4 simplifies, you divide by 2, 7 over 2. So the y-intercept is 7 over 2. All right, next, I'm going to go ahead and plug in 0 for y. So then once you do that, you'll end up with negative 2x is equal to 14. You're going to divide by 2. Negative 2, that is. And then 14 divided by negative 2 is negative 7. So x is equal to negative 7 when y is 0. So the x-intercept is negative 7. And that's it. That is using a standard form function to find the x and y intercept. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.